I'm at CES Showstoppers for the best gear and gadgets for Apple users. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and this is the UV Seed, which is a small MagSafe mounted UV light that is used to sterilize different objects and surfaces while attaching to the back of your iPhone. And it doesn't just use UV light to sterilize surfaces, it also uses a companion app to give you an idea of what you've covered and what you haven't covered and how many germs that you've killed in the sterilizing process. So here you can see we're using augmented reality. The developer is using TensorFlow as the augmented reality kit, and it's able to detect things like solid surfaces as well as your hand. So it doesn't want you to be able to use the UV light on skin, but it will use it to cover books or surfaces or whatever it is that you have in front of you. The longer you hold it in one place, the more intense the color is, letting you know that you've done a better job sterilizing that surface. And then afterward, it gives you an average of the surface that you've sterilized and how many germs that you've killed of various types. The card itself is quite small. You can see the UV light there at the top. It charges up over USB-C, and as I mentioned at the beginning, it connects to your iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 via MagSafe, but anyone can use this because it can connect to the phone with an included magnetic plate that just attaches to really any phone with a 3M adhesive. Next up, Chipolo. This is the Chipolo card spot, what I am very excited about this year. It is an IPX5 water resistance card with a 2-year battery life that works natively with the Find My app. So this will work similar to an AirTag, but it does not have the ultra wideband technology. But it still has a speaker inside of it, so you can just find your wallet, as well as getting left behind alerts if you should walk out of a restaurant with your wallet sitting on the table. You can put it into a lost mode, so you can use the larger Find My community of Apple users. Anyone who has a Mac, iPhone, or iPad comes near your Chipolo card spot, it can send that location back to you so you can track your wallet down, and you'll get those left behind alerts if you leave your wallet anywhere. Otherwise, it's very similar to an AirTag, and you can make it emit a sound if you're trying to find it around the house. Airthings has 2 new products this year at Showstoppers. There's the View Pollution as well as the View Radon. So they've had the View Plus for a while, which is kind of what you see here on the left, where it can record multiple things. But the View Radon and View Pollution are more niche products that are specifically measuring certain things. Like we're looking at pollution really with the View Pollution and that radar level with the View Radon. Not gonna lie, I am entirely sold on these new flexible pads from Boogie Board. Basically, you can use them like a sticky note. Write whatever you want on it. Use your finger, use your Apple Pencil, use the included stylus. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and tap on that little corner and it'll erase the whole thing. But it's entirely flexible. It's not a whole tablet by itself. And you can even stack it together with other Boogie Board notepads to make kind of like a stack of them on your desk. They're smaller sizes here as well as the larger size depending on what you need. Leave the note on there as long as you need and then go ahead and just tap it with the magnetic pen in the corner and it'll erase itself. Here you can see one that's really been messed up and boom, just like that, back to completely blank. And you can use your finger, whatever you want to write on it when you need to. OWC is always good for some new gear at CES, and this year is no different. Now, the Mini Stack STX, I believe, came out before CES, but if you're not familiar, is a Thunderbolt 4 storage solution as well as a Thunderbolt 4 hub. It has a form factor of the new Mac Mini, but it'll work with any Thunderbolt 4 enabled Mac. Other than that, we have a new Atlas S Pro SD card with some pretty ridiculous speeds. We have a new CFast 2.0 card reader, very small and compact as well as lightweight, and it is bus powered. You can see you can go ahead and stick your CFast 2.0 card in there and read it on your iPhone or your iPad. Then we have a new CF Espresso Compact Flash Express Type B. These are newer, and this is what I'm using in my current camera. So I'm excited for this bus-powered Thunderbolt reader. But of course, they have their own CF Express cards to go along with. So if you're using this new media in whatever camera you're shooting on, you're going to be excited about these new announcements from OWC. Then we're moving over to Pozio, I believe is what this is called. And this is for those that are really privacy focused. Your iPhone has an always-on microphone. It listens to you all the time, waiting for you to say those magical keywords to invoke Siri. But Pozio here actually will help block out the microphone on your phone. There's a speaker at the bottom that's emitting a noise that you can't hear, but it overloads the microphone so that Siri is not listening to you. It also acts as a wireless charging, delivering power at the same time. Let me know what you liked over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU.